Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? As you know, we are in lockdown, so we will try to understand the unit 4th in class 11th, chapter 16, photosynthesis. As you know, photosynthesis is the process in which green plants make their own food with the help of green pigments, chlorophyll, and sunlight and make their food. Now we will discuss some important questions. First is the name Melvin cycle is associated with. These are four options, and right options is carbon fixation during photosynthesis. Second, who gave chemical composition of chlorophyll and carotenoid? And right answer is Willister and Sethi. Third is the non-polar part of chlorophyll is called phytol. It is a long alcoholic part, while other tetrapyrrole, which is ring shape structure, is polar part. Now we comes on question 4th. The approximate dimension of polar porphyrin ring is answer is 15 angstrom square. Next question 5. Photosynthetic is most active in sunlight, and if we talk about the range, then 400 to 700 nanometer, and red is most. Question 6. Intensity of light increase 20 times, then rate of photosynthesis will. As we know that photosynthesis is directly proportional to light, but it increase till feedback inhibition. Now we comes on question 7. Out of total light energy that is available for plant, and right answer is 1 to 2% is right answer. Now we talk about question 8. One photon is blue light contain how many calories, and red light contain how many calories? So right answer is 70 kilocalorie and 40 kilocalorie. So option A is right answer. Now question 9. The most effective converter of sunlight is sugarcane. Question 10. Cyclic photophosphorylation is confined to photosystem first. Now question 11. For photosynthesis of 1 gram of hexose, the land plant consume. Answer is only 1/4 of CO2 of air. Now question 12. For synthesis of glucose molecule, the number of ATP required are 18 ATP for C3 cyclic and 30 ATP for C4 cycle. Now question 13. The volume of O2 liberated in photosynthesis has the following ratio of CO2. So answer is O2 and CO2 1:1 is required. So answer option A is the right answer. Question 14. The inhibiting effect of oxygen in C3 plants on photosynthesis is called Warburg's effect. Now question 15. Pick up the C4 plants. C4 plants, as you know, maize is in all of them are C4 plants, while papaya, potato, and pea, soybean are C3 plants. In question 16, it is advantageous to use a water plant to demonstrate photosynthesis other than land plant because O2 bubbles from cut and can be controlled over water. And question 17, the chlorophyll formation most important are. Then as we know, magnesium is most center element of chlorophyll, and there are two ions are important, ferric and magnesium. So right answer is B. Okay guys, we will discuss only 17 question today. Next part 2 will be released in the next video.